Hello everyone, how are you doing? I hope you are following all the necessary COVID protocols and अभी वैक्सीन भी आ चुके हैं so take your vaccine and be in the greatest of health. So before I start this video, I would like to ask you one question. Do you also have this habit of skipping or leaving any questions for option? अरे ये ऑप्शन में डाल देते आया तो भी मैक्सिमम 5-10 मार्क के लिए आएगा उतना आई कैन अफोर्ड ऑफ लूजिंग बट वॉट इफ दैट पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन इज आस्क्ड फॉर 20 मार्क्स ICAI हमको इंटीमेट करता है कभी कौन सा चैप्टर इम्पोर्टेंट है या कौन सा आएगा एग्ज़ाम में कितना वेटेज है वो अपनी मर्ज़ी चलाता है अपना मन मर्ज़ी काम करता है यू रिमेंबर देयर इज़ अ सॉन्ग of Vicky Kaushal, maybe yes, mostly Vicky Kaushal and Nora Fatehi. ओ मुझे छोड़कर जो तुम जाओगे जो तुम जाओगे जो तुम जाओगे ओ मुझे छोड़कर जो तुम जाओगे बड़ा पछताओगे बड़ा पछताओगे ये chapters are as if singing this song when you skip that particular question of chapter from that portion. And yes, this has happened with me also. I had made these mistakes during my IPCC time and especially during my first attempt of CA finals, but that time I had no option boss. मेरा टांग टूट चुका था, फ्रैक्चर था, even I had undergone surgery, so I was not in a proper position to study and ultimately I had to skip some chapters. I was not able to complete the syllabus, the portion effectively, but that's probably not the case with you. You all are fine, right? You have the proper physical condition, you don't have any disability, दो हाथ दो पाँव दिमाग सब you have 2 times food to eat also, sub necessities are fulfilled, right? So remember this thing, you have to complete 100% of syllabus, have to, no other way out. कभी कौन से चैप्टर से क्या पूछेगा ICAI का कुछ भरोसा नहीं है. आई नो देर आर सम ट्रेंड्स, आई नो कि ये पर्टिकुलर चैप्टर्स आर मोर और स्लाइटली इम्पोर्टेंट और स्कोरिंग और वॉट एवर द केस इज, but ultimately you have to prepare for the worst case scenario. You know there is a term in management called as worst case analysis or maybe worst case scenario working. That is सबसे जो बोलते हैं ना घटिया चीज़ या द मोस्ट लॉस विच अ कंपनी वुड endure or which would happen, you have to estimate that कि whether I am well equipped or prepared to bear to endure that kind of loss or नुकसान or problems or challenges, whatever thing is. अगर अच्छा हुआ, प्रॉफिट हुआ कंपनी को, ऑब्वियसली वेल एंड गुड. सो सेम इज एप्लीकेबल टू यू कि सम माइट से कि मुझे जितना मैं पढ़ता हूँ आई एम क्वाइट लकी इनफ कि ओनली द रेलेवेंट क्वेश्चंस आर आस्क्ड इन द एग्जाम. इफ़ यू वांट टू टेक दैट रिस्क, ऑब्वियसली मुझे कुछ फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता है, यू कैन गो अहेड. बट इफ़ यू वांट टू प्रिपेयर योरसेल्फ फॉर द वर्स्ट केस सिनेरियो, यू हैव टू कंप्लीट 100% ऑफ द सिलेबस. मतलब कुछ भी क्वेश्चन आ जाए, you would be able to at least attempt it better than those other students who had skipped the same chapters. And another thing is, most important thing is, if at all you are not able to understand any question, don't try to fake it. That is, कुछ भी इधर उधर से sentences join करके एक आंसर लिख देता हूँ एंड उम्मीद करता हूँ कि 1 or 2 marks at least ICAI would give me. The boss, ICAI is the boss, and ICAI doesn't entertain these kind of activities from students wherein they themselves are absolutely unaware, they don't have zero idea, and they are writing, bluffing around anything. So remember this important thing as well. Okay, so guys, remember my mantra, there is a reason for my existence. No longer will I live in ignorance. I'm here to make a difference. All the best. Take care, guys. God bless you. And I hope to see you all students as CA XYZ. Jai Hind.